Kind of a big right there.
Well, I need to get another petite.
Pipette.
Pipette.
No, the yellow one we'll just pour in a little bit.
I'm on the blue. Where should I put this now?
Okay.
I
We'll
put.
just pour it in, not actually. Okay.
Where should I put this, miss?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so you're done now? Don't need any more?
That's might be enough, Christian.
Okay.
You're not going to do what I think you're going to do.
Add a bit of blue.
You did it anyways.
Plenty.
Should I mix it now, miss?
Okay, mix.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That like blood red, I like it. Look.
And then slowly, when I say a tiny bit, I mean in like one,
Tiny bit.
2, 3,
4.
So like tiny, just little drops.
So like
2 drops, and then mixing it. And then mixing it with the stuff.
If it does 3.
is
And
this
then
supposed to mix one?
we're mixing it. And then we can add a little bit more. And then we're mixing it.
Mix it. I can't tell what colour this is.
What do you mean?
Have you
It's
heard of the new
purple.
colour that scientists have discovered called Olo?
Google student.
It's it's like purple on the stick and then red in it. Do you have a bit more on this?
We're making slam.
Should I clean my hand? I accidentally squirted it on my hand.
The borax.
Yeah. Okay.
What's next?
Bit more borax. And mixy.
So you get more in like that.
Why is there water in the water bottle too? There's water in the water bottle on the table there.
That's good that it's in the water bottle rather than.
No, there's a bit of water in there. I spilled it.
Maybe add a little bit more borax.
Oh. Why does it look like it's getting lighter?
So diluting it, you are making that colour. Like, you know, if you have Ribena or squash,
Yeah.
if you then add more like water or more of the liquid into it, it dilutes the colour of it.
Okay, that is not purple.
I don't know what colour.
Hold on. Come on. I'm sending this to my friends. And my YouTube channel. That is not purple. I'm sorry, that's not purple.
It might turn it when it turns into.
Send me a YouTube.
I'll send you one video.
What?
I might send you this video.
Let's add a bit more borax. Yeah, I've got the egg.
Borax.
I'm gonna run out.
You keep saying Lorax to me.
Borax, put it.
I'm gonna run out. I'm gonna run out.
Right. How much mixing this was?
I'm gonna add some more because I
Will the
can.
borax make this a slime?
I'm gonna add one more because why not?
If you had too much borax, will it over activate it?
Yeah, maybe.
So if you put too much activator inside and over activate
It might turn too solid. It might be too much of a chemical reaction going on.
Do you think it's getting thicker?
Not feel any different.
No.
Ah, well, we just keep on going.
It's easier to make slime with glue. Like,
I've got PVA, but
this is like water PVA.
yeah,
Have you like
watered down the
diluted it?
PVA.
Yeah.
What am I trying to do?
Can I put my finger?
So period 1, that's when they'll do their test. Yeah, there is one.
Did you only give them it today?
I gave X2 yesterday.
Does the food coloring have something to do with this? I feel like it. Oh yeah, I'll send you my video where I melted ice for no reason.
It's still the same as it was before.
Can I put my finger?
It looks like it's getting a bit thicker, you know.
No.
We might have put too much food colouring in as well. That might have made it a bit too liquidy.
As you can see, it's kind of sticking to the lift your rod up. Lift your rod up. Look, no, this one. Look,
Yeah.
it's kind of sticking to it a bit.
We're getting there.
No, that looks like glue.
On the rod, it's like purplish. The bubbles are like a bit bluish, and the colour's red. I like that colour of red.
It's
That
nice.
blood.
It's a bit like
It's like good.
burgundy.
Right, I'm heading off.
Bye, miss.
Have a lovely evening.
This is not enough borax. Oh well.
Might be.
It's going to overflow by the time it actually gets into slime.
How do you?
It looks like a fizzy drink.
Oh, if you're drinking that,
That's
I know, but it
disgusting.
looks like a
can
fizzy
I
drink.
add it to it? It looks a bit thick. Can I have a little stir? Yeah, it feels thicker than it used to.
It's kind of sticking to my finger a bit.
Yeah, I think a bit more borax.
It won't do anything to my finger, but look.
No, you just have to wash it.
Alright.
Don't eat it.
That was my next fault, miss, definitely.
No eating and not taking it home because chemicals in it. Okay, and then stir, stir, stir.
Can I just add the whole thing in?
Oh, this feels thicker.
Nice.
It's thick.
Can I feel yours? Mine is like... Is his well gooey? Mine's just water.
Why don't you find
Guys, look at
something
this.
to prop your phone against so
Look.
you can have like two hands? Is that feeling a bit better as well?
No, his is well gooey, mine's just water.
Maybe add more borax?
What if I do that?
Add more?
It'll be even more thicker.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
This is way too thick.
Too thick?
That's too not thick.
What do you mean? Try it.
That's good texture for slime, that.
Don't stop. You know,
I want my blood red colour.
I can help you. I could literally help you.
Can I pour a bit out so I can add more borax? Yeah, when I pour it out, it's purple.
What?
Look, it's like purpley blurry in there.
No. It looks like purple versus red.
You know what?
No.
Not all of
This
it
is
at
not
once.
glue.
No, I'm gonna say.
No. This is honey if it was blue.
I think I might have added a bit too much food colouring.
Maybe.
Add too much borax then. I'm gonna run out.
This is going to be the sticky type slime that sticks on your hands.
The one that then like solid and it like melts through your...
Not the one that sticks onto your hands, that you have to wash your hands thoroughly to get it out. Yeah, mine's not doing anything.
And the rest of the borax. I think we probably added too much food colouring.
Probably.
If you have to restart, I'm gonna be so sad.
I can't. Smells weird. It's a bit sticky.
It's the PVA.
It's sticky.
I wonder what PVA actually stands for.
Power.
I'm not stopping this recording.
Yeah, this isn't turning into anything.
I'm not
less.
stopping this recording till I get perfect slime.
Look.
This might be my longest YouTube video.
To start, measure out 1 cup of warm water and pour
Wait
it
a
into the
minute.
first bowl.
You have a phone.
Then add 1/2
Can you just
teaspoon
search up what
borax.
PVA means?
Mix this
Why?
solution until all the borax has been fully dissolved into the water. To the second bowl, add 1
I
cup of
prefer
warm
chlorine.
water and the entire 5-ounce bottle of glue.
Okay.
What? This is the
is
the
to make
backup
a lot
plan.
of
This is this is the backup plan.
Mix this solution thoroughly.
Add food colour.
Pick out your favorite color
I'm
for
gonna
coloring.
pause.
I don't know what that is.
It's where, if you put a lot of force onto it, it's hard, but if you pick it up lightly, it's soft. Basically,
I think we've made it too liquidy. Should I see if I can find something? If it's easily available in the tech room. Can I feel this? Yeah, this is a lot thicker. Let's see if I can find some more.
Okay. Bye-bye.
I will be 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Do not spill or eat
I
anything.
won't. I'm not eating. Not yet. Not hungry yet.
What do you mean yet?
Yet.
Don't you dare eat any of it. Don't you dare. I'm gonna have a break, guys. So, see you.
It's a peak below you, so you can see how good your breathing is. So, if I then put it here, I can see that it's my lung capacity from how much I can breathe out. So I've got asthma, so when I had to do my asthma test, I had to do this, so my breathing rate
I think
is
I have
the
asthma.
best.
So many of my
Let's see
friends
what I
have
can get.
asthma.
Go on.
Okay. Nervous?
So many of my friends have asthma.
Okay. 4, 2, 5. Let's try again.
Wait a minute, I remember this.
quickly, or do you have
Just
to like?
go.
Okay.
I remember this. I did this in year 5.
Is it? Oh, I did worse. then.
Year 5 was the year where asthma was at their full potential. I'm gonna pause recording. You're not allowed to see.